Massive in Amateur or chief so. The position of the Ghana Registered Nurses Association leadership measure Bonnie be any more Sisia. It's a mema pa or more pay the ama or mamma for now when you're a juana 2 pong and or more 81 amount Sisia. Bonnie be any more.
Okay, but Osha Babia, Anamontoni shall see free a few chair moon may yes and implementation no ebaso somewhere in July. Now one more court injunction we say conditions of the Ebedia to we say the Yangi mental copy court man Namsunti a train swa. What do you make of the current development? Doc.
You know, Minia, I think my young nipa bi a wo ma so wo nka no kre na wo ye ade panso na omo hu ni se de mpumtu bebre o na bi a omo no omo nya ho fatso bi a eno anu etwitwa wo nti eno anti na omo abegu entempenso a on say situation a wo mo sisi ano consequential to breakdown of negotiations, somebody refusing to understand truth.
Yes.
And taking a stand to work with the truth. And I mean, disagree because I am in the past at this stage in time, the Minister of Health, Minister of the Finance, Ajay to say, the nurses are meant to have no a bisano, nekwanswa, and today they build that aka.
The implementation period, you know. And as you see, I acquire you because what Sabane can say, I fear Mumupa, dear. Say, Okasa or the conditions in the Bay Juma, a bino or mine home back Reno. In Tiadia fear Baby Remeno and association also just say Womontiasi. Doc.
And that is a stand of duplicity on the part of the Minister of Finance and the Minister of Health. And it is regrettable. You see, it is very insulting on the part of the nurses. And I do not think the minister and some sense in the you know, what is this we are hearing about? Come back for renegotiation, wait till next year when he knows that by next year at the time I will come home. Now the tenets of the conditions of service, the collective agreement, no crown, no. And then you have the same people to say, let us start the whole thing afresh. They are playing a certain game.